Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make Terraria run better on PC. First, let's tackle the basics. Begin by adjusting your in-game video settings. Lowering them can significantly improve performance. Next, ensure you close any unnecessary background applications running on your computer. This frees up valuable system resources. Finally, always keep your graphics drivers updated to their latest version for optimal compatibility and speed. Diving deeper into Terraria's settings, consider reducing your frame skip option to subtle or even off for a more consistent experience. Next, adjust visual quality settings. For example, set lighting to retro and background to off to reduce graphical load. Disabling blood and gore and weather effects can also provide small but noticeable performance improvements, especially on less powerful systems. Beyond in-game options, system-level checks are crucial. First, confirm your PC meets Terraria's minimum system requirements, which are quite modest. Next, use your game launcher, like Steam, to verify the integrity of game files. This can fix corrupted data. For a significant boost, try running Terraria in a lower screen resolution, such as 1280 by 720 pixels. For advanced optimization and ongoing maintenance, consider these tips. If you're using a traditional hard drive, regularly defragment it for faster data access. Monitor your CPU and GPU temperatures to prevent overheating, which can cause performance throttling. Lastly, if your system has 8 GB or more of RAM, allocating more memory to Terraria can sometimes improve stability and loading times.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.